Fucking Larry, guys, man. Fucking Larry. Quick, gotta fix this thing. Just got a little leak. It's on the list of things to fix, you know. It's part of being a homeowner, which sucks. You got shit to fix. Like my car, which was supposed to be fixed. No Larry in the alleyway. So I'm wondering, what's up with Larry? Larry said he was gonna be here at 6 o'clock this morning. Are you gonna be up at 6? Fuck no. 6 o'clock, but I'll make sure to have the gate unlocked for you. Thank you for coming so early, Larry. 7:30 now. Where's Larry? Larry's not here. So I'm doing this motherfucker myself. I mean, seriously. I have all the parts to do it. Got the engine. These are his, but I've got my own cherry picker. And yeah, I'm just gonna do it myself because can't fucking count on other people. And he already got his, I paid him half. I gave him 160 bucks. I mean, honestly, he got a lot done. He did leave me with this nasty pile of bolts. So I'm gonna have to figure out where those all go. As a whole, I mean, he did quite a bit of work. Praise Jesus, Larry is on my security camera. Got the van cracked open. Oh my goodness. We got some progress. We got some Larry. Of course, Larry left already. But there's new tools. Larry left his bag of tools. Also, my old engine is out. Look at that. That is gross. Piston oil. You can see right there. That should not be that way. That should not be such. Anyway, here we have it. Hopefully he comes back soon to finish up. My man Larry came back. But then he left again. Let's see what we've got. Oh, the engine's in. Wow. It's in there. Awesome. Excellent. Excellent status update. So that's pretty much where we stand with Larry and his $300 2-week engine swap. I'm sure he'll be back tonight because his tools are here. And he wants to get paid the rest of his money. I know it's not a whole lot of money, but when you tell me 2 days, like I expect 2 days, I mean, not this much time. I know it's really cheap, but still, like, had he been forthcoming about the time or just shown up any of those days that he said he would, that would have been straight. If you guys dig what I do, check out TunerThings.com and support your boy. There's some merch on there. Make sure you tune in tomorrow, see how everything turns out. Peace out, Cub Scouts.